Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can close Starling bank account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC. Search for Starling bank. If the time has come to move on from Starling bank, here's how you can close your account. The best and easiest way to do is to contact customer service in the mobile app. Simply follow the steps. Step 1. Open the Starling bank app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Tap Help and then talk to Starling. Step 4. Select Chat with us to start a live chat session. Step 5. Alternatively, you can send a message and wait for a response. Before you get started, make sure you have transferred any outstanding balance. Alternatively, the bank will send you a check, and remember to cancel all the upcoming payment instructions, sending orders and direct debits. If you have other Starling bank products, you will still be able to access them in the app once you close your current account. For example, if you have a business fixed saver account, you will be able to view your balance and account documents. Making use of Starling's Pay as you grow plan for bonus bank loans, you will still be able to access your plan as long as you have a loan amount, even if you close your current account. You will just need to sign in to your online banking using your loan account number. That's how you can close Starling bank account. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.